again with my monthly favorites video. I'm so sorry that I couldn't upload my June favorites video, but I'm back again with my July favorites, and I have incorporated my June favorites as well as in this monthly favorites video. So this will be my June and July favorites video, and I have collected all my favorites in this little basket. So I have all of the stuff in this basket. There are skincare bits as well, and also there is one food item which I loved a lot during the month of June and July, and even I'm continuing with that in the month of August. So that's my favorite actually. And before I begin, I would like to say that all the products will be mentioned in the description box, so please don't forget to check the description box, because I'll be more productive over there. And even if I found any links to the product which I have mentioned, I'll link it down below. And also, if you're watching me for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on all the social media, as you can see on the screen right here, and the links are also mentioned in the description box, so you can check them out. And yeah, I think that's all I wanted to say. So let's begin. Papaya cream from Magic Fruit Extract range. It's that is what it says, and it comes in a little jar like this, and you have to open, and there's only a little bit left in this. I have to buy a new one. What it says is this cream has strong properties to lighten the blemishes, pigmentation patches, dark circles. Its enzyme also offer peeling action and restore natural complexion. Use this as my massage cream on my face, and I used to use once in a week. I don't use it that often, like every day or something, as I have pigmentation a lot around my mouth as well as on my forehead and all that areas. So I used to massage with these. Direction says that gently massage the cream for 10 to 15 minutes and clean with wet cotton. In every week I used to do my cleanup, because I used to get my cleanup every month in the salon. I have been loving so far. This will be my second or third jar maybe, and I got it from a normal store where they used to sell the salon products. I got it from there, and this was for rupees 125, but they had some 20 or 30% off, and I got it for around 80 or 90 rupees. So it's too inexpensive, and it contains, how much it contains? It contains 50 grams. If you have pigmentation, please do try this. It's very inexpensive and it's very beneficial, and it doesn't smell that bad itself. It's not that bad. I will try to find this online, and if I do find it, I'll link it down in the description box. So please make sure you check my description box. If I haven't, please don't get angry or something. I'll try to do a giveaway with these kind of products in future. If I get a proper number of subscriptions, I will try to do a giveaway with these kind of products, because I am so much into massage creams and mask and gel massage creams. I love those stuff, and I'll try to do my skincare routine as well on my channel as soon as possible. The second thing I would like to talk about is this Origins Mini Mask Marvels. It looks like this, as you can see, and the back says Origins Mini Mask Marvels over here. And I got this trio pack from one of the Insta seller. I'll write it down over here so you can see and follow her on Instagram. I got it from her, and I'll also link her Instagram page in the description box below, so you can check her out. I have been loving this one, especially this charcoal mask. Oh my god, you guys, this Clear Improvement Active Charcoal Mask to clear pores. This one is so good. Like, I used to use once in every 10 days or 7 days, and it actually pulls out all the gunk out of my face, and my face used to feel so refreshed and so good after this. So this is the mask I was been loving. I have used this one, Drink Up Intensive Overnight Mask to quench skin's thirst. This mask is so good. I used to use this once in every week, and what I like to do is I used to apply this overnight. It's not something that you have to remove. This is like a cream kind of a mask, and the morning you'll wake up, your skin will be like It's so hydrating. You will feel like you are touching a baby's butt. That kind of a feeling you'll get into your skin when you will apply this mask. You need to be regular while you use some products, then only you can find the result. You cannot find the results until and unless you use it for a month or 2 months. You need to be really regular. I have heard many people raving about this charcoal mask a lot on YouTube, and I actually tried it myself and I found so good result with this. So I can highly recommend you guys, if you are looking for some good mask, try this. I haven't used retexturizing mask with rose clay yet, but when I will, and if I like this, I'll let you guys know my thoughts on this as well. But these both are definitely thumbs up from me. The third thing I would like to talk about is the Clinique Moisture Surge, and you must have seen me using this a lot on my channel. I don't use this moisturizer like as a moisturizer you can use, but this one is really expensive, by the way. It comes in with a jar like this, gel based. As you can see, it's a gel based. If you are a combination skin, you might love this moisturizer. And I use this moisturizer as a base for my makeup. I used to rub this onto my skin. My skin used to feel so smooth, so soft, and then makeup used to glide on so smoothly when I used to use this under my makeup. So I have been loving and I'm using from last 4 months non-stop, no complaints. Love, love, love. This is L'Oreal Brow Artist Plumper. This is in the shade medium dark. You can click the I button where I have shown this one. Got it from my husband when he went to his US trip. The wand is like so tiny and so good. This brow gel is tinted, so it will give a color to your eyebrows, and your eyebrows will stay put all day. Like I have used it right now as well, and they will stay in place all day. They won't budge, because I have been using this from past 2 months. I have been loving this. I also love my Anastasia Clear Brow Gel, but that is quite expensive than this one. I got this for rupees 700 or 800 according to Indian rupees. I will try to find it on Amazon and I'll link it down in the description box so you can check. Maybe Amazon prices were quite a bit higher than usual. Then I also love this one, L'Oreal Fall Slash Sculpting's mascara. It's not waterproof, by the way, so that's only the con for this. But when you use this wand just like this, you don't need to use any kind of a curler or anything, because it's going to uplift your lashes and it's gonna take it upwards. So this wand, like every mascara need to have such kind of wands. This wand is like hands down best one. Need to be given an award for this. And even if you don't apply kajal or anything on your upper or lower waterline, this mascara will do that job. Now I would like to talk about the Giorgio Armani. This is also from my duty free haul, and I'm mentioning this products just because I've tried this product and I have loved this product, so I'm reviewing this product. It's not something that I'm showing the same product twice to you. It's just that I'm showing this product because I have loved it and I can review this product onto my channel. So this is Giorgio Armani Fluid Sheer in number 6, and it looks like this, and the color, it looks really bright in the jar. Just have to take a little pump and the product is like this. And when you apply this with a beauty blender as a blush, see, such a beautiful, it's a beautiful blush. It gives a corally pinky color and a luminous satiny finish onto your cheeks, and it has little specks of gold in it, so it gives a little bit of like a sheen to your skin. It's nothing like too sparkly, it's like a little bit of sheen, like dewy finish kind of a sheen. So it's very good and I love this one. I don't know what other shades they do have in this, but this was being brought by my husband by mistake, and I loved his mistake because I have been loving this last month. I even try to use this even when I'm going out and I don't want to apply any bronzer or anything. I just used to apply like a little tiny drop over here and used to dab a little bit of my beauty blender onto it, and I'm good to go. This is Naked 2 Urban Decay Basics palette. It comes in with 6 eyeshadows and a mirror, and I love the mirror of this just because it can fit 2 of my eyes. Exactly, the mirror of the palette is so stunning, and even this palette is so handy if you are on the go. When you slant it like this, you can see your whole face and you can do your full makeup with this. With this palette you can definitely go with full glam makeup look also you can do with this, and even you can do a simple makeup with this palette. So it's so handy, and it comes in with 6 eyeshadows as you can see. This and the Maybelline Nudes palette is my most used palettes. So now I'm gonna talk about this eyeshadow palette. So this is Kali Bible's eyeshadow palette. Obviously you know it looks like this. Comes in with 10 eyeshadows and 4 highlighters, and it has a mirror over here, but I am mentioning this palette just because of the reason I'm loving this highlighters, you guys. These highlighters are so good, and I won't cheat and I'll show you just a single swipe onto my fingers. See how pigmented. Let me just, it's a single swipe. Second one, third one, which is my favorite out of them all. This is my favorite, and the last one, the bronzier one. These are the single swipe, you guys. And this palette is also very inexpensive. The best part is that they are not at all chunky. They are so buttery and they glide onto your skin so well. This is what I'm wearing on my cheeks right now. I'm wearing this one. If you're wondering, I'm wearing this highlighter onto my cheeks right now. This palette is so inexpensive. When people are paying so much for the highlighters, you get 10 eyeshadows as well as 4 highlighters, as well as this palette does also have a big mirror, so that is a plus. And this is very travel friendly. So this was the palette which I have been loving a lot lately. The best thing out of my favorites video is this one. This is Miss Dior's perfume. It looks like this, which is very pretty because I love this bow, and this was on my list for so long. My husband managed to get this from his trip to US. This fragrance, this perfume takes me to heaven every time I use this. Like, I used to split only 2 or 3 because it's so expensive, but other than that, I love this perfume. It's so good. I'm not good in describing the fragrances, so I'll list down the notes on the screen somewhere here so you can see. The 3 lipsticks which I have been loving last month, as well as 1 lip liner. It's a Calabar lip liner, and you have a sharpener over here which is a plus. I so love this style. So it's a brown color, as it says it's chocolate brown, and it is exactly a brown color. This is the lip liner which is onto my lips right now. I love it. Gives the beautiful, fuller effect to your lips. I love the application. It's very smooth. So this is chocolate brown lip liner from Calabar. So first one is ColourPop's Beeper, which was being raved a lot on YouTube by a lot of YouTubers, and it's also my favorite. I'm running out of it. Very little is being left. I'm surely gonna buy a new one. Let me swatch this. So it's a very beautiful, muted brown, but on my lips it looks a little bit of grey. I used to use dark lipstick and then used to tone it down my lipstick with this lipstick, and it holds on for so long. I highly suggest you to exfoliate your lips before applying any liquid lipstick, like matte liquid lipstick. This is NYX liquid lipstick, which is in the shade Soft Spoken. So I'll swatch my side. So it looks like this. If you have seen my May favorites, you might be knowing what kind of colors I am into. I love brown toned and pink toned nudes a lot because they suit me a lot. So this is Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the shade Stripped, and I love this one. It's a beautiful nude, complete nude, pinky nude. So this is Calabash lip liner in chocolate brown. This is Beeper from Colourpop. NYX lipstick in Soft Spoken. Well, this is Anastasia Beverly Hills stripped. Now I'm going to talk about my food favorite, and this is Britannia NutriChoice 5 grain digestive cookies. And oh my god, you guys, these are my favorite. It comes in with 4 packs of 3. Let me show you how it is. So it comes in with little trio pack where you have 3 biscuits in 1 pack. I love the crunchiness in this biscuits, and they are made of 5 whole grains, which includes corn, wheat, ragi, oats, rice, and the sweetness they have add a dash of honey. All ingredients are so healthy for the body, and I used to eat 2 of the biscuits in the morning. So these are all my favorites, you guys. So this was all my June and July favorites. I hope you enjoyed this, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on all the social medias. All the social media handles will be listed in the description box, so please don't forget to check them out, and I'll see you in my next video.